Xi Jinping on Thursday stressed promoting the great founding spirit of the Communist Party of China and the spirit of Yan'an, and striving in unity to fulfill the goals and tasks set by the 20th CPC National Congress. Xi has led members of the Standing Committee of the Political Bureau of the CPC Central Committee for a trip to Yan'an, an old revolutionary base in China's Shanxi province. Xi hailed Yan'an as a holy site of the Chinese Revolution and the cradle of New China. He noted that it was in Yan'an that the party's Central Committee and veteran revolutionaries led China's revolutionary cause from a low point into an upsurge, reached a historical turning point, and transformed the prospects of the country.
把百年党史中的延安故事挖掘好，持续坚守好我们这个中国共产党人的精神家园，
让更多的人能够了解这段历史，走进这段历史，让我们的红色基因呢代代相传。
我们要发扬延安精神，战胜我们前进道路上的一切困难。